Hello everyone. Today marks an important step in our time management journey, developing your personal action plan. This plan is your roadmap, custom made by you for you. It's about taking everything we've learned and turning it into a concrete, actionable plan that fits your life and your goals. Let's get started on crafting a plan that will guide you to success. Step 1. Reflect on your current time management. Assess your habits. Look back at how you currently manage your time. Identify what's working and what's not. It's like doing a self-audit of your time management skills. Identify challenges. Pinpoint the specific areas where you struggle. Is it procrastination, overcommitment, distractions? Step 2. Set clear, achievable goals. Define what you want to achieve. Based on your reflections, set clear goals for what you want to improve. Remember the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down goals. Break these goals into smaller, manageable tasks. It's about making your goals less daunting and more approachable. Step 3. Prioritize your tasks. Use the Eisenhower box. Categorize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on what brings you closer to your goals. Schedule wisely. Plan your tasks according to your energy levels and commitments. Allocate specific times for deep work, meetings, and breaks. Step 4. Choose your tools and strategies. Select tools that suit you. Decide on the tools you will use, whether digital apps, planners, or a combination of both. Adopt time management techniques. Choose the techniques that resonate with you, whether it's time blocking, the Pomodoro technique, or others. Step 5. Implement and adjust. Put your plan into action. Start implementing your plan, but remember, it's okay to start small. Even small changes can have a big impact. Regular review and adjustments. Schedule regular check-ins with yourself to review your progress. Be flexible and ready to adjust your plan as needed. Step 6. Foster accountability. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who can help keep you accountable. It could be a colleague, friend, or family member. Join a support group. Consider joining a group or community focused on productivity and time management. There's strength in numbers. Your personal action plan is a living document. It should grow and evolve as you do. Remember, the goal is continuous improvement, not perfection. As you embark on this exciting phase of personal development, remember that you have the tools and knowledge to make meaningful changes in your life. Your action plan is your guide, but your commitment and perseverance are the real keys to success. Here's to taking control of your time and achieving all your goals.